phototherapy is also called like light therapy. So this light therapy is a procedure wherein the patient's skin is exposed to the artificial specific UV light. The patient comes in a clinic or in a photo unit on a regular basis, at a specific time and for a specific interval. So this phototherapy or light therapy is used to treat specific diseases like psoriasis, eczema, vitiligo. So yung phototherapy, ang main function niya is a photoimmunomodulator siya. So meaning, yung mga sakit nito, na-detect nila na may kinalaman sa immune system ng pasyente. So yung phototherapy will balance the immune system of the patient's skin. Ino-normalize niya yun, kaya bringing about clinical response for these certain skin diseases. For other specific diseases, meron siyang mga nire-regulate na mga chemicals sa katawan na magkukos ng clinical response and bringing about the treatment of the patients. We use a machine for the phototherapy. So the machine consists of lights. Meron siyang mga ilaw sa loob, or sometimes, kung localized yung machine, may ilaw na lalabas doon. Yung ilaw na yun, may specific wavelength. Yung specific wavelength, yun yung magtitreat doon sa pasyente. Yung mga precautions, so yung mga, kasi gaya nga nasabi ko, yung meron kami dito is the cabinet type. So the patient will have to stand for a few seconds, so ranging from a few seconds to minutes. So those patients with hemodynamic instability or those patients that cannot stand for a few minutes, yun yung mga hindi pwede, Pangalawa, yung mga patients na photosensitive, meaning yung konting paaraw lang namumula na, So we take precautions on subjecting those patients to phototherapy. Or yung may mga history ng skin cancers, So we are also careful in advising them the phototherapy treatment. So for those patients who have this kind of diseases, you may consult your dermatologist, your PDS certified dermatologist, whether you are eligible to have the phototherapy.
This portion was brought to you by the De Los Santos Medical Center.